on Gaby Sanchez. Sanchez drives it to center field, hits it deep. Pagan goes back and looks up. It's gone! Over the wall. It climbs all the way up to the top. Gaby Sanchez with a one-out solo homer to straightaway center. Boy, did he jump on that.
Boy, he just stroked that fastball. We talked about Gaby's success not only this year, it's his 4th home run against the Mets this year, his 7th home run career against the Mets. A high fastball, stayed on it, drives it straightaway center field, just to the right of the apple.
Our Gunther Volkswagen drive of the game.